All right, let's do this. We're going to completely lock down your X account, step by step. And don't worry, there's no technical jargon here. This is just a simple, powerful guide to help you take back control of your privacy, and we are starting right now.
So let me ask you something straight up. Is your X account really as private as you think it is? You know, for most of us, the default answer is probably no. But stick with me for just a few minutes because we're going to change that answer to a confident yes. Okay, here's our game plan. First, we're going to look at the hidden risks, so you know why this stuff is so important. Then we get hands-on, locking down your posts, securing your login, and cutting down on ad tracking. And to wrap it all up, we'll build a simple safety plan to keep you protected for good.
Okay, section 1. Before we dive in and start clicking a bunch of buttons, we really need to understand what we're up against. You know, knowing the why makes all the how so much more important. See, when your account is just left on its default settings, it's basically wide open. And that exposes you to 4 big threats. You've got impersonators trying to be you, spammers flooding your notifications, stalkers piecing together your personal life, and data trackers building a massive profile on you. We're going to shut the door on all 4 of them.
All right, now that we know why we're doing this, it's time to get our hands dirty and start building up those defenses. First up, let's take control of who gets to see your posts and your profile.
Okay, you're going to want to find your audience and tagging settings. The first 3 moves here are total game changers. First thing, protect your tweets. This one little switch makes it so only your followers see what you post. Boom. Next, turn off photo tagging from people you don't follow. And finally, stop people from finding you using your email or phone number. Simple moves, but really powerful.
Next up, let's set some boundaries. Dive into your privacy settings and turn off precise location tagging on your tweets. I mean, think about it. There's almost never a good reason to broadcast exactly where you are. Then, head over to direct messages and switch off message requests from everyone. That'll stop your inbox from turning into a total free-for-all.
All right, think of your public profile like a digital storefront. It's time to clean it up. Go to Edit Profile and get rid of any sensitive info. I'm talking your exact city, your phone number, definitely get your full birth date out of there. You can actually set your birthday so only me can see it. The key here? Keep that public bio nice and generic.
Okay, so we've handled what people can see from the outside. But what about keeping people from getting inside your account? This next part is all about fortifying the gates. This is Security 101, and it's absolutely crucial.
Listen, if you only do one thing from this entire guide, please make it this. Turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Seriously, this means even if a hacker steals your password, they still can't get in without that second code. And while you're in there, turn on login verification alerts so you get a heads up if any new device tries to access your account. Now here's a super important pro tip. When you're setting up 2FA, X is going to give you a few options. Always choose Authenticator app. Why? Well, because those SMS texts can actually be intercepted. An app like Google Authenticator or Authy is just way more secure. It's the right way to do it.
Okay, quick question for you, and it might make you a little uncomfortable. Do you know, right now, every single phone, laptop, or tablet that is logged into your X account? Let's find out. Time for a little digital cleanup.
All right, in your settings, find Apps and Sessions. You're going to see a list of every single active login. If you see anything you don't recognize, a phone you lost, an old laptop, log it out immediately. Then, right below that, check the list of connected apps. See that old game you haven't played in 5 years? Revoke its access. Every one of those is like a potential backdoor you're leaving wide open.
Awesome! Your account is now locked down from unwanted visitors. But what about the data you're sharing with X itself? This next part is all about taking back control of your data and dialing back how it's used for ads. Okay, you're going to head to Ads Preferences. First, just flip the switch to turn off personalized ads. Easy. Then, take a look at the interests that X thinks you have. You can uncheck anything that's just plain wrong. And this last one? This one is huge. Turn off the setting that lets X use your off-Twitter activity. What that does is it stops them from tracking you across other websites to show you ads. It's a big one.
All right, we're on to our final section, and this is so important. Look, privacy isn't something you just set and forget. It's a habit, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make it incredibly simple.
And this is seriously how easy it is to maintain. Once a month, take 60 seconds, literally, and just check your active sessions and apps. Every quarter, just double check that your 2FA and ad settings are still how you want them. And the always rule? Just be smart. Don't click on suspicious links. That's it. That is your entire safety plan right there.
And that's it. You did it. By following these steps, you've put a lock on your content, you've fortified your account, and you've taken control of your ad data. You are officially back in the driver's seat.
So, you've completely secured this one account, which is awesome. That is a huge first step. But it kind of makes you think, right? It opens up a much bigger question. What's next for your digital footprint? How can you take these exact same ideas and apply them to the rest of your digital life?